Hello everyone, so today we're going to be making a SMP or Minecraft update text in Blockbench. So it's really simple, it'll take only like a few minutes. So let's just open up Blockbench, open up right here. And you can download it or open the web app, it doesn't matter, they're the same thing. But I'm going to open the web app. So you'll see this probably, and then you'll just press the X and stuff. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, you're going to go to Plugins, and you're going to go see Minecraft Title Generator. So you're going to click that and install right here. And once it's installed, press the X, and then right here it says you can create a new Minecraft title. So just click that, and then create a new Minecraft title right here. And then accept the EULA, and then you got this. So this is going to be the top text that you want. So for example, I'm just going to put Minecraft, and I suggest putting the Minecraft 10 font because it's really good. And then go to texture, you can choose whatever you want. I'm going to choose the pixel right here. And then overlay, you don't have to do this, but it's your choice. Style, this is how you edit it, hue, all that stuff. But I won't be doing too much because I want to make it quick. So settings, doesn't really matter unless you want to do something complex. And then all you do is press finish, and then it'll end up right here like this. And then next you're going to do edit, and then you're going to add a Minecraft title text right here, and then you're going to do the bottom text, whatever you want it to say. I'm going to put SMP for example, and then make sure this says bottom, okay, the update texts. And then you're going to do texture, choose whatever you want. I'm going to choose neon like this, and then overlay, doesn't matter, style, settings, you can skip all that, then press finish, and it'll be at the bottom like this. So yeah, now it's all your choice what you can do about it. There's a bunch of element stuff right here, you can do a bunch of stuff over here, and this top bar is really helpful. So what you're going to do next is press render, and then it'll show this, and then you see this button right here, you can click that and it'll render it. Then press save render, and it will download right here. And that's basically it. So thank you guys for watching. It was a really quick tutorial, and yeah, that's it.